In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks for a project in HoneyBook, Task Management 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to honeybook.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials. If you get any security prompts or verification requests, go ahead and complete those so you can proceed. This part is quick, and once you're in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Your dashboard is the central hub where you can get a snapshot of your activity. To navigate around HoneyBook, look to the left side of the screen. This vertical bar is your main navigation. It helps you jump between different areas without getting lost. For task management, you'll first go into your project list. Click Projects on that left navigation bar. HoneyBook will display all your projects here. If you have a lot of them, use search or filters to locate what you need more efficiently. It's helpful to keep an eye on project names and statuses so you can quickly identify the right one. Once you see the project you want to work with, select it to open it. Inside the project workspace, look for the Tasks section. This is where you'll build and manage the to-dos that keep the project moving forward. Now, click Add Task. A simple form will appear where you'll enter the details. Start with a clear, action-oriented title so anyone reading it knows exactly what needs to happen. Next, set the due date and the due time. Align these with your project milestones. And remember that due time typically follows your account's time zone. So choose something that makes sense for your schedule and your team. Then, assign the task to the appropriate person. If you're working solo, assign it to yourself. If you're collaborating, pick the teammate responsible for completing it. Assigning tasks thoughtfully helps ensure accountability and keeps communication streamlined. As you fill in these fields, think about clarity. A precise title, a realistic due date and time, and the correct assignee make it much easier to track progress and avoid last-minute surprises. When you're done, the task will appear in the project's task list, where you can see it alongside any other items you create. You can repeat this process to add as many tasks as you need to fully outline your work. That's all there is to it. Go to HoneyBook, log in, open your dashboard, use the left navigation to access projects, choose your project, head into Tasks, and add the task with its title, due date, due time, and assignee. This simple flow keeps your project organized and your team aligned.